Hello everyone, and today I'll show how to enable or disable 5G on the Nothing Phone 2a. So in order to do that, go to your settings, here it is, select network and internet, here, now go to your SIM cards, here they are. I only have one SIM card. If you have more than that, you are to choose between them, but as I said, I only have one by now. So here we can find preferred network type here. So and choose from the options, so 5G, 4G and 3G. I'll choose a 5G. Also, you can enable a smart 5G. So this really cool feature, this helps extend battery life by using 4G, and when 5G doesn't offer a significant advantage, you can also have the option to enable 5G standalone. Keep in mind that the 5G coverage is really poor by now. It may affect network stability, so it's better not to enable this option if your 5G isn't working well. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.